Welcome to Power Up with Stan. Today we are breaking down 3 essential hand tools used in fabrication: the grinding machine, the drilling machine, and the rivet machine. I will show you how each tool works, the sizes, the safety procedures, maintenance, and why each one is important in industrial operations. Let's power up. Grinding machines are essential for shaping, deburring, smoothing, cutting and finishing steel. They come in different sizes, ranging from 4 inches, 5 inches, 7 inches and 9 inches. When using a grinder, safety is rule number 1. Wear face shield or safety goggles. Use industrial gloves to prevent spark burns. Never operate without a guard. Keep bystanders away from spark direction. Secure your materials before grinding. Always check disc tightness. Do not use cracked or expired grinding discs. Avoid grinding near flammable materials. Inspect the grinder and disc for damage. Mount the right disc. Power on, let it reach full speed before touching metal. Hold firmly with 2 hands. Maintain a 15 to 30 degree angle when grinding. Allow the disc to do the work, don't force it. Drilling machines are used to create holes in steel plates, channels, angles, and structural components. They come in hand drills, bench drills, and magnetic drills. Rivet machines are used for fastening 2 or more metal pieces together using rivets. They are used where welding is not ideal or where joints need flexibility. These are the essential hand tools that keep fabrication running smoothly every day: grinding, drilling, and rivet machine. They may look simple, but with the right skill, the right safety, and the right maintenance, they can transform steel with precision. If you enjoyed this breakdown, follow Power Up with Stan for more factory insights. Let's keep powering up. Thank you.